to be here. Our chairman sir wanted to convey all his wishes because he has gone for ABS Global Smart School Avadi since we have group of schools. So he is missing the occasion. Really very happy and nice to see. And thank you parents for your wonderful cooperation and my beloved students for their power-packed performance which is yet to come. And I thank the entire team of ABS Group, the management, the principals, our committee members, academic director and academic director general here. First of all, I would like to say the speech in Tamil with Disha. Really, it was an excellent speech, Disha. Well done. அதாவது கோயில் எழுதி யாழ் எழுது சொல்லுவாங்க ஒரு மழை சொல்லோட நீங்க சொன்னது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது really very lovely Disha for giving a wonderful speech on the 75th Independence Day celebration and Sri Sai Dheeraj for his Hindi speech. I don't know where is he. And next Sadhana of class 11. It was an excellent speech giving the importance of the Independence Day celebrations and I really thank her for a wonderful presentation of her speech. And at this juncture, I would like to say a few words. See, we have been celebrating the 75th Independence Day and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And this time when I was coming from Chennai to Tiruvallur, I could see almost all the places, every house was hoisting the flag. It was so colorful and wonderful to see on this special occasion. So really that spirit of nationality we could see this year on the 75th Independence Day celebration. Almost every house was hoisting the flag. Normally it will be celebrated only at selective places. So it is nice to see here. And I think I'll not take much time since the children are eagerly waiting for the presentations of their performance. But I'd like to say a few words for the nation to grow. First thing is we all have to do our best to the society. The nation cannot grow independently. So first, all of us have to bring our economy in a much better way and we have to contribute ourselves to the society. That is very important. So we have all, for the past 75 years, we have been contributing green revolution. We have been now becoming stronger in IT hubs, which we could really realize during the pandemic. Almost every house children had a mobile phone and had online education through their mobiles. This itself shows how we have improved on our education and on the IT sectors. Every individual houses were having the mobile phones and online coaching we were able to cross it. So this is one of the contribution which we have made and kindly as our director Kapian said, let us use all these scientific inventions only positively. You could have heard our chairman's speech that we need to have lot of scientists for much more inventions and discoveries and from our director Kapian's speech to use all these scientific instruments in an effective manner rather than using it for enjoyment. So kindly keep that point in mind and also nowadays education is going digital and we are having lot of digital libraries. So all those positive aspects you can really utilize from the computers, systems and space researchers and now NASA, everything we will be able to read, go and explore. So kindly, instead of chit-chatting there, you can really concentrate on how to improve the nation because you have come here for the 75th Independence Day celebration and I wanted that spirit of nationality from our children. So I like to conclude that being the best in all we do will help us to achieve and improve our nation and improve ourselves. So my dear children, do your best for improving the nation and for improving yourself. God bless you all and Jai Hind.